Hey y'all, this Rosa back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified when I drop some videos. So today, you guys, I seen Gangsta Emoji make this uh, tater tot casserole. These are all the ingredients you will need. You will need tater tots. This all they had was the tater tot bites. You will need pound of hamburger. My seasonings, I'm gonna use Worcestershire sauce for my hamburger. I got garlic powder and complete, black pepper, Mexican style cheese blended, and then I also have a can of corn, can of green beans, and 1 can of cream and chicken. So I'm not gonna put any eggs in mine. He had eggs in his. And so yeah, let's get into this video. I already washed my hands. Don't mind. So I got 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan, getting hot, and also I cut up some green peppers and onions off camera. So I'm cooking for Donovan and my sister tonight and my nephew. I told them I was gonna try this recipe, and so I hope they like it. So yeah. So we got the butter all melty. Now I'm about to add my hamburger in a pan. Yeah, I miss cooking, y'all, since I've had my surgery. But I'm not gonna let that stop me from cooking for my family. So, got that in the pan. I'm gonna put the black pepper. Season to your own taste, y'all guys. A little bit complete. You don't want it to be too salty. And a little bit of garlic. And I'll bring y'all back once the hamburger get brown. Be right back. Okay, y'all. So, I'm back. We drained the hamburger, y'all. Next is we're going to transfer it into this bowl. Get all your hamburger out. Of course, Donovan had to try the hamburger to see if it was good. It's gonna be their dinner tonight. I'm gonna be eating tomato soup. So next, we're gonna take the can of cream of chicken. We're gonna add it in with the hamburger. Throw that away. So we're gonna take all this out. This what Moses, he ain't put the cream and chicken in his. Cause he did like a breakfast casserole. Let me add a little milk in here. Hold on, you guys. I want to get the rest of the cream and chicken out of that pan. And preheat your oven to 350, you guys. So I just add like that much milk. Just thin it out. Let me know, have y'all tried tater tot casserole? Like I said, I've been seeing it on TikTok. And I seen Gangsta Moji make it for his family. You want all that goodness out. Let's mix it, mix it, mix it. And then after this video, I'm gonna do their dessert. They're gonna be eating good tonight. So it should look like that. Can y'all see? There y'all go. Next, I'm gonna open the can of green beans and drain the green beans out. Then open your can of corn. Drain the juices out. Get down, Polo. So I'm gonna drain the corn out. Add that in there, like that. You want all that out. Drain your juice out the green bean. Add that out. Mix it together. That's my oven. Let me know it's ready. Get down. Next, I'm going to open my Mexican blend cheese. Don't be scared with the cheese to put it in there. Put that much in there because you need some for the top. Y'all see how much I use. Stir it around. Okay, next we're going to open the tater tot. Put it in there with that. Mix it in. Oops. I'm going to add a little salt. Just a little. That's all you need right there. Okay, so it should look like this. So I got that out the way. Next, I'm going to get my baking dish. Yes, I put everything in the sink because I don't have no counter space. So this how this looking. Spread it out. This is the tater tot casserole. I'm gonna add some more tater tot. And I'll bring y'all back once it come out the oven. That's all they need. They don't need a lot of tater. Add the rest of your cheese, you guys. I would keep an eye on it, you know. So, everybody's oven is different. So this is the tater tot casserole, and I'll bring y'all back once it's done. Be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. The tater tot casserole. This is their dinner. Y'all see it? It's all crispy and golden brown. It just came out the oven. Let me turn my oven off. I put some parsley flakes on there. I'm gonna add just a little salt. That's all they need. So yeah, this is it, y'all. Let me know in the comments how y'all made this. Thank you, Gangsta Emoji, for sharing your recipe. I just put my own little twist. Y'all go check out his channel. It's called Gangsta Emoji. You can find him on YouTube. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified when I drop some videos. Stay tuned for another video tomorrow, you guys. And yeah, I'm about to eat me some tomato soup. My sister, Donna, and my nephew, they go kill this. So I know my nephew, he will. So yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm so salty. Yeah. But alright, y'all. Love y'all for life. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good night. Bye. And I put some parsley flakes on there. And I added a little bit more cheese. I put the cheddar melt cheese on there, sharp cheddar cheese, and the Mexican style cheese. And I added some parsley flakes to make it look pretty. Alright, peace, y'all. I'm gonna let it cool off, and I'm out. Peace.